So cheese.
Cheese.
Let's see the toothies.
Show Daddy your toothies.
And the baby powder.
Is that Teddy? Keep it on kisses.
Can you give Claire a kissy?
No. 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 I open this, Mommy.
After lunch, maybe you can have that one, okay?
I'll keep this on it.
Alright, sounds good.
Oh, there's that one. There's a napkin right there, Mommy.
No, that's just the package. Tell Jetty, what's the Easter Bunny going to bring you?
Lunch.
Lunch? Oh, what a good bunny.
No.
You get down?